PC expansion cards enhance functionality by adding graphics, networking, storage, or ports essential for upgrading performance, connectivity, and specialized computing tasks. My today's video is about top 5 best PC expansion card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Eluteng PC expansion card. This 7-port PCIe USB expansion card stands out as a reliable and efficient upgrade for users needing extensive connectivity without compromising stability. Its two-phase independent power supply ensures each port receives consistent power, eliminating common issues like voltage drops when multiple devices are connected. The integration of NEC 720201 and NEC 720210 chips enhances overall performance, delivering dependable USB 3.0 speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, ideal for transferring large files such as HD videos or high-resolution images quickly. Each port is reinforced with solid capacitors, contributing to long-term durability, low heat generation, and stable voltage output even under heavy load. The ability to operate without external power adds convenience, while compatibility across PCIe slots and major operating systems increases flexibility. However, the lack of Mac and console support may limit some users. Overall, it's a robust, high-performance solution for expanding USB capabilities on desktop systems. Now our second product is Asus PC expansion card. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe expansion card is a powerhouse solution for users seeking extreme storage performance and scalability. Supporting up to 4 M.2 NVMe SSDs, 2242/2260/2280/22110, it leverages full PCIe 4.0x16 bandwidth to deliver a staggering combined throughput of up to 256 gigabits per second, making it ideal for data-intensive tasks like 4K per 8K editing, virtualization, or heavy workloads. The use of server-grade, low-loss PCB materials ensures signal integrity and stable high-speed operation, even under sustained loads. Its ability to handle up to 14 W per SSD means compatibility with the latest high-performance drives without power constraints. Thermal management is another strong point, with a stylish heatsink and integrated blower fan effectively preventing thermal throttling and maintaining consistent speeds. Backward compatibility with X8/X16 slots adds flexibility, making this card a premium, future-ready upgrade for demanding desktop or workstation builds. Our third product is Yeeliya PC expansion card. This PCIe USB expansion card offers an excellent balance of versatility, performance, and ease of use, making it a practical upgrade for desktops lacking sufficient ports. With a total of 7 USB 3.0 interfaces, 2 Type-C and 5 Type-A, it supports a wide range of peripherals, from storage devices to VR equipment, significantly enhancing connectivity. The 5 gigabits per second transfer speed ensures fast data movement for large files like HD videos and backups, though real-world performance depends on connected devices. Its broad compatibility across PCIe slots and multiple operating systems, including modern Windows and macOS versions, adds flexibility, while backward support for older USB standards ensures legacy device usability. Installation is straightforward even for beginners, requiring minimal effort. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly solution for expanding USB capabilities, backed by a reassuring 2-year product care promise for added confidence. Now number 4, LDLRui PC expansion card. This PCIe USB-C expansion card is a focused, high-performance upgrade designed to bring modern connectivity to both new and aging desktop systems. Featuring 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, it leverages the ASM3142 controller and a PCIe 3.0x4 interface to deliver impressive speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, making it ideal for demanding tasks like large file transfers, content creation, and gaming peripherals. Performance scales intelligently, offering full bandwidth on a single port or balanced speeds when both are active. Its compatibility with older PCIe 2.0 systems adds flexibility, though with some expected speed limitations. The plug-and-play support on newer Windows versions simplifies setup, while broader device compatibility ensures seamless integration with storage drives, VR gear, and more. Additionally, the 15W power delivery per port enhances reliability for power-hungry devices. Overall, it's a sleek, efficient solution for upgrading desktop USB-C capabilities with speed and stability. And our last choice is Glotrends PC expansion card. This 6-port PCIe SATA 3 expansion card is an excellent solution for users needing massive and flexible storage scalability without complexity. Built around the ASM 1166 controller, it delivers reliable performance with a PCIe 3.0 interface, allowing each SATA port to reach up to 277 MB per second, ideal for HDD arrays, SSD storage pools, or software RAID setups across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. While it lacks hardware RAID, its ability to support multiple drives simultaneously makes it perfect for NAS builds, media servers, or backup systems. The inclusion of LED indicators for each drive is a thoughtful touch, providing real-time activity monitoring at a glance. Compatibility is broad and truly plug-and-play, eliminating driver hassles for most systems. Installation is straightforward, and the bundled accessories, SATA cables, power splitter, and both full and low-profile brackets, add real value. Overall, it's a dependable, user-friendly expansion card for maximizing storage capacity efficiently. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.